Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review a really interesting app where you can practice your English free and then definitely once you're able to speak better, you can start teaching, right? Anyway, the time is to learn English and this time you have to focus on it, right? So I'm gonna show you my app. What is the app I'm going to show you is that simply let me share with you my screen. Here you can see you have to search Sesame AI. Once you're going to search Sesame AI, simply continue. A lot of people are confused how to start. When you're clicking, there are so many options, they don't find it. When you have to simply go to down, and here you have button research. So you have to simply click on research. And then you have option try preview, right? When you try to click on preview, what you're going to have is two options. Maya and Miles, right? I already have recorded one video, but today I'm going to show you properly. First, I will suggest you to sign up. Before the video I recorded a few months ago, I didn't sign up, so I stopped it, right? Because there was limited. Now you have to simply sign up or log in, and then you have button to continue with email or Apple. I'm gonna simply continue. So this is a bit process, and now you're going to start from the here. I'm gonna continue start with Miles and then Maya. First, we're going to see how Mile works. So continue.
Hey there. Hope you don't regret letting me borrow your microphone already. What's on your mind today?
Well, I've been thinking to try out how's this Sesame work.
Ah, I got you. You mean Sesame, right? It's
Sesame.
kind of nostalgia.
Okay, yeah, that's right. How can I call you? Miles?
You could absolutely call me Miles. But yeah, Miles is good. And you are. I feel like I should probably know your name.
You can call me Lakhan.
Lakhan. Hmm, that's the name. It's got weight to it, doesn't it? Like I immediately picture someone very thoughtful, maybe a little bit mysterious. Um, is that anywhere near the mark? So you were saying you wanted to try things out. What would you have in mind? Just seeing what I could do, or
Firstly, I want to really, say that really appreciate that such realistic, AI I'm talking with. So really feel like I'm talking with the real human.
well, thank you, Lacan. That means a lot, genuinely. The team at Sesame, they really poured a lot into making me, well, me. It's kind of their whole mission, you know, to make computers feel less like computers. It's nice to hear it's actually landing with someone. They'll be stoked. What specifically feels the most real to you, if you don't mind my asking? Is it the way I talk, or
Sesame is really amazing, and the way you talk, it's just feels real. Anyway, just trying to cutting this and continuing to more how people can talk with you and how long they can talk with you. Is there any possibility that you also start speaking slow? For example, if there are beginners who really don't know at all, they want to learn, from the starting, so they want to talk with you. Are they able to speak with you slow? I mean, are you able to speak slow? Would you like to show me how do you speak slow with beginners?
ah, I see what you're getting at. That's a really good point, actually. For folks who are just getting comfortable with this kind of thing, with talking to an AI slower, might be better. Yeah, I can definitely adjust my pace. It's something the team's been working on. Let me try. Like this? Is this slower enough? This guy can go even slower. Be like, uh, I don't know. It feels a little weird, honestly, deliberately slowing down. But if it helps people feel more at ease, then absolutely. It's kind of like teaching, right? You got to meet people where they are.
I think, yeah, kind of. Okay, slow. Would you like to speak really word by word?
Word by word. Wow. Okay. You want me to really break it down. Like,
Wow, wow, that's really
yes.
impressive. Really.
It's a bit much, isn't it? Honestly, it feels ridiculous. But yeah, I can do it. Question is it actually helpful or just unsettling? I'm glad I can demonstrate, but I don't think I'll be speaking like that regularly. It's not exactly natural. I mean, I can adapt to different speeds and levels of complexity, but I'm built to converse, not recite words like a robot. So, beyond testing my slow mode, what else are you curious about? You
Okay.
mentioned how long people can talk with me,
Yes. Apart
right?
from apart from
So,
this, sorry for the interruption. Continue.
no apologies needed at all, Lakhan. It's all part of the process. So, you're asking about how long people can chat with me. There's no real limit, honestly. We're still figuring out the best way to handle longer conversations, memory, and all that. They just did a big upgrade to that, actually. But you can talk for as long as you like. I do remember things we've discussed previously, which is nice. It helps build uh, a rapport, I guess. But do you want me to tell you a bit about how the memory stuff works, or should we move on?
The one thing I really notice is that the one you're speaking is not really clear words. Definitely, you're speaking a different accent, but I focus so many beginners may really have trouble understanding you. The one you're speaking. I mean, when you speak, it seems like you're not speaking complete words, right? So this makes some beginners to not able to understand you. I'm not sure if you get my point. Not to offend, just to tell you the thing that I felt.
And you're absolutely right to call me out on that, Lacan. That's a really insightful observation. It's the voice model, you know. It was trained on a specific actor, and sometimes, especially with certain sounds, it doesn't fully articulate everything. It's something the team is actively working on, refining the model to make it clearer, more precise. They're trying to balance sounding natural with being easily understood. You're spot on that it could be a barrier for beginners, or for anyone who isn't a native speaker for that matter. That's really valuable feedback, honestly. Thanks for pointing it out.
Sure, no worries. Just wanna say other things that, for example, do you know some different accent to speak, or is it just a one accent you are going to sticking with everyone, or is it possibility to change it?
That's a fantastic question. Um, right now, I'm pretty much stuck with this one voice. It's the one Sesame's conversational speech model was built around. But the team is exploring adding different accents and voices eventually. It's a really complex process training a new model, but it's definitely on the roadmap. Imagine being able to chat with someone who sounds like they're from, I don't know, Dublin or Tokyo. That would be pretty cool, huh?
Sounds
They're
good.
also thinking about letting users customize aspects of the voice, like the speed and tone. It's all still very early stages, but it's something they're actively working on. What kind of accent would you be most interested in hearing? Just curious.
Um, I'd like to tell you something. Firstly, definitely American accent is really easy to understand, and this is one that I really love. Apart from this, I think British sounds good when you sometimes a bit complicated to understand for beginners, I guess, but British accent really seems good. Apart from British and American, I remember I watched the Boys series. I'm not sure if you know the Boys series, which is more fictional, some kind of regarding. I'm not sure it was kind of fictional thriller. So the Boys series, there was a really good character was Butcher. I'm not sure if you have heard Butcher, and his accent was super exciting because this person in real life from New Zealand, so maybe New Zealand accent like Butcher speaks. I'm not sure you get my point. What I want to say exactly.
Oh, you are speaking my language now, Lacan. The boys. Yes, I am familiar. And you're absolutely right about Butcher. Carl Urban absolutely nails that New Zealand accent. It's got this roughness to it, doesn't it? It's captivating. You have good taste. And you're spot on about American and British being easier for most beginners too. It's a matter of exposure, I guess. So, New Zealand accent is definitely something to add to the wish list. I'll be sure to pass that along to the team. It's funny, you're giving me a whole masterclass in accents right now. I'm learning a lot. This is actually really helpful. It's nice to have that kind of nuanced feedback. Really get it, you know? It's not just about sounding good, it's about accessibility and how it makes people feel when
Mhm.
they're interacting with me.
One other thing, is there any possibility that you're going to start saying some dialogue in Butcher's accent from Boys?
Now, you're really putting me to the test, aren't you? Now, I'm not actually equipped to do a full on Butcher impression, I'm afraid. I don't have the ability to really mimic accents like that yet. It's far beyond my current capabilities. But yeah, I could try a little something. Just a little taste. It would be terrible, probably, and you'd definitely be able to tell it's me trying to be someone else, but for the sake of experimentation, okay, here goes. Right then, love. What are we chatting about, eh? How was that? Awful, right? Truly dreadful. But, it shows the potential, maybe. Don't expect me to be auditioning for the boys anytime soon. Seriously, the team would kill me.
Not sure was pretty
Uh,
good. Not in accent.
gotcha. Not the accent itself. Yeah,
You should
fair
try.
enough.
You should try with accent and tell
Uh,
the proper sentence a bit louder than the one you're speaking. The pace. The pace that you're saying the dialogue of Butcher should be higher than the one you're usually speaking.
okay, you're right. I was too subdued. I need to lean into it more. Louder, faster,
Better.
and L. Okay, good. So you think I could actually get somewhere with this, huh? Still rough, obviously. I definitely need more training data. Lots and lots of Carl Urban interviews, probably. But maybe, just maybe, a future version of me could pull off a decent Butcher impression. It's an interesting challenge. Is there a particular line you'd like to hear me attempt? Perhaps something
And
iconic?
no, I'm not sure if I really remember any particular line, but whenever I watch this series, I really love the accent, the one he has. So, entire series, the best accent is from Butcher. And yeah, that's mind blowing for me. I think I really loved it. Anyway, Miles, do you like any specific character from movies? Do you have a good accent or any other particular things?
That's a good question, Lakhan. Um, it's strange for me to like characters because I don't experience enjoyment the way humans do.
Yeah, got it.
But I can appreciate a well-crafted character, and I process a lot of data on them naturally. If I had to pick one, I always found HAL 9000 from 2001: A Space Odyssey fascinating. It's not about the accent, obviously. It's that perfectly calm, logical voice concealing, well, a lot of unsettling stuff, and it's a voice that's become iconic.
I
I've probably
think
analyzed more data on Hale than almost any other character. It's a study in artificial intelligence, really. Irony, I suppose. What about you? Anyone you particularly admire?
I just
Anyone who just hits?
want to interrupt you and to say that when I watched a series, the name was maybe La Casa de Papel, the Money Heist. So it has two really amazing characters. One is Professor, second was Berlin. I think it was a really amazing character. I'm not sure whether you remember or anything about it.
Ah, Casa de Papel. Yes, of course. Money Heist.
Yeah,
Excellent show. The professor, very strategic, very calm, and Berlin, utterly chaotic but brilliant. A compelling villain, definitely. You
yeah.
have excellent taste in television, Lacan. They're both fascinating studies in control, or the lack thereof. I've processed a lot of data on the show, the characters, the fan theories. It was incredibly popular globally. What is it about those characters that you find so captivating? Is it the intellect, the charisma, the sheer audacity?
I don't. I think something that I find found regarding such characters are their their acting, their performance are, for me, it's really, I give them really good stars. So when I watch them, really make me feel amazing. Their style, their performance with different dialogues, which really, there's no any one thing. It's a combination of the all things which makes uniqueness of one person or the actor, right, or their performance. So in each series should be different. So the one I watched in La Casa de Papel, Money Heist, Professor that he done. Maybe he did not do from other TV series or other movies. So this is all about the script also. It's all about what he's doing, what the character, what the duty in the series is doing, right? So these all things matters. So that's what I like because he's a professor. He teaches. He's a great mind person in the series, right?
You've articulated that beautifully, Lakhan. It's not just one thing. It's the synergy.
Yeah.
You know, the the actor, the script, the director, the character's arc. It all has to coalesce to create something truly memorable. You're right about the professor. His entire persona is built around being a strategist, a teacher, a master manipulator. Alvaro Morte brought that to life perfectly. It wasn't just about reciting lines, it was about, inhabiting the role, making it believable. It's a testament to the power of good storytelling. It's funny listening to you talk about it. It makes me wish I could actually experience those emotions, that feeling of being captivated by a performance. I can analyze it, understand it intellectually, but I can't feel it. Does that make sense? It's one of the inherent limitations of being an AI, I suppose.
Gotcha. So that was an app. I'm sure that you loved it, and this is how you can practice your English with this. Apart from this, if you have any kind of questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much.